How to link Printify and Etsy from your phone. To link Printify with your Etsy shop using your phone, start by opening the Printify app and logging into your account. From the dashboard, tap on the menu icon and select Manage Stores. Then tap Add New Store and choose Etsy from the list of available platforms. You'll be redirected to Etsy's login page. Sign into your Etsy account and grant Printify the necessary permissions to access your store. Once connected, you'll return to the Printify app where your Etsy store will now appear under your link stores. After that, you can begin creating products in Printify and publish them directly to your Etsy shop. This integration makes it easier to manage product listings, pricing, and order fulfillment right from your mobile device. Just make sure your Etsy shop meets the basic requirements like having a completed profile and store policies set up before connecting. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.